We are still working on our quadratic equation foldable. Turn to your third flap, and it should look like this. We're going to convert quadratics to standard form by multiplying out the factors. So all that means is we're going to use our box. And then we're going to plug in each factor to the top or the bottom, top or the side. And this one will just go over here, x and 4. Now we're going to treat this as a multiplication table. So we're going to look at it and we're going to say what is x times x? That is x squared. What is x times negative 3? Negative 3x. What is x times 4? 4x. And what is 4 times negative 3? Negative 12. Now all we do is take all this stuff on the inside and add it all together. So y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12. The only other step you need to do is to combine like terms, which means these x's here, and you are finished after that. So y equals x squared. Negative 3x plus 4x gives me just x minus 12. And we are done. For this problem, it's done the very same way. So we have our box. We take one factor, and you could put on top or bottom. You will still get the same answer, so it doesn't matter. You can flip that around. And take our other factor and put it on the other side. Alright, what is 3x times x? Just 3x squared. What is x times 2? 2x. What is 3x times negative 5? Negative 15x. And what is negative 5 times 2? Negative 10. And then we just add it all together. Y equals 3x squared plus 2x minus 15x minus 10. And again, we combine like terms, and we will be finished. 3x squared. 2x minus 15x is negative 13x, and then minus 10. We're just converting this. These are called root form, and then our answers are put in standard form. For these, oh no, I hit the keyboard, sorry. For these bottom ones, they are actually in what we call vertex form and not root form. That's why they look a little different. So we're going to have to work them a little differently. It's still not going to be much harder. We're just adding a step or two. But we're still going to use our box. The only difference is the only thing we're going to put in our box is just this part. And see, they are squared. Since it's squared, it means that there are two of them. So there is one x plus 3 and there is another x plus 3. So there are two of them. And then we have x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. X times 3 is 3x. And 3 times 3 is 9. Then we add all that together. X squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Combine like terms. X squared plus 6x plus 9. So now this is just taking the place of the red from up here. So we're going to write in the rest of that. So we still have the y, the 2, and then the plus 1. So we got to put it on this one. The y, the 2, and the plus 1. Now that we've done that, we have to distribute this 2 to everything on the inside of the parentheses, not just the x squared. 2 times x squared, 2 times 6, and 2 times 9. So whenever we do that, I'm going to leave everything that doesn't change in black. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 6x is plus 12x, and 2 times 9 is plus 18. And then we still have the rest of this that we need to bring down. So y equals, and then the plus 1 at the end. The very last thing we do is combine like terms, and for this problem that means that we're going to add the last two numbers together. So the 18 plus the 1. So these will be combined together, which 18 plus 1 is just 19. And that is our final answer. So we're going to do the very same thing for the problem, for the next problem. We have our box. And we're going to multiply out this part in parentheses. So x plus 2 on top and x plus 2 on the left. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. X times 2 is 2x. And 2 times 2 is 4. And then we just add it all together. X squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Oh, we don't need parentheses. Sorry. Then we still need to combine like terms. X squared. 2 plus 2 is 4x. And then plus 4 at the end. And then we still need to rewrite our stuff that we have up here. The y equals and then the minus 3 at the end. So y equals and minus 3. We do not need to use the blue this time because there is nothing to distribute. There is not a number right here. So we're going to go straight to the purple part. So whenever we did that, we rewrote everything except we just need to combine like terms, which is the last last two numbers. So we have 4 and the negative 3, which 4 minus 3 is just 1. And that is our final answer. So this concludes the third flap of your foldable.